Welcome to a world where machines rule and limits are shattered. From muddy rescue missions to towering giants reshaping the Earth, each scene reveals raw power, precision, and engineering brilliance. Whether it's deep in the forest or on blazing highways, these mechanical beasts don't just work, they perform. Buckle up, because what you're about to witness is nothing short of epic. First up, let's dive into the raw power of the CAT 6015 Super Ripper. This giant excavator isn't here to play, it's here to carve through tough terrain like butter. Watch as it effortlessly rips into solid rock with unmatched precision and brute force. This is industrial muscle at its finest, built to dominate the Earth. Up next, a true test of machine versus mud. Watch as the Sumitomo SH210F6 rolls in to rescue a deeply stuck Sany SY200C trapped in watery sludge. It's not just a recovery, it's a battle of torque, traction, and timing. Will raw hydraulics and teamwork be enough to pull this iron beast from the swampy grip? You've probably seen excavators in action, but not like this. The JCB-205 goes to war with stubborn rocks on private land, breaking through with relentless force. Meanwhile, a Manitou JCB prepares the soil for farming right after the clearing. Its brute strength meets rural purpose, where demolition and agriculture join forces in a rugged, dirt-filled symphony. Can you guess the name of this beast? Meet Mr. Torque, the Liebherr LB44 rotary drilling rig. This monster isn't just digging holes, it's punching through earth with unstoppable torque and surgical precision. Watch it tear into the ground like a hot knife through butter. When foundations demand muscle, this rig answers the call. Now, let's explore what's really happening deep in this forest. The Valtry 93 forestry tractor, paired with a heavy-duty trailer, moves through dense terrain with surgical precision. Each log is loaded with care, every turn calculated. This isn't just logging, it's a carefully choreographed dance between man, machine, and nature. In a place where power meets patience, the forest gives way to pure mechanical rhythm. Oh no, a serious accident has just struck this construction site. A powerful excavator has sunk deep underwater during a risky operation, leaving only its boom visible above the surface. The rescue? A high-stakes mission involving a long-reach Komatsu, a Kobelco unit, and a massive crane working in perfect sync. This isn't just recovery, it's an industrial emergency, where every move counts. One mistake, and the entire operation could collapse into the depths. You don't see this every day, consider yourself lucky. Two Komatsu D575 superdozers, the largest bulldozers on the planet, are working side by side in perfect harmony. Each push sends waves of earth rolling like ocean tides. Its raw power on display, a rare glimpse at machines built to reshape the land like giants from a mechanical age. Next up, watch this beast in action, the legendary Caterpillar D11 ripping through overburden like it's nothing. Every pass clears tons of earth, exposing the rich layers beneath. This isn't just a bulldozer, it's a land-leveling monster engineered for dominance. Precision, power, and purpose unite in every move. When the D11 roars, the ground listens. Can you believe it? That massive steel leg is actually moving, slowly, steadily. This is the 645's walking excavator, a true mechanical monster unlike anything else. It doesn't roll, it walks. Towering over the ground like a creature from another world, each step crushes everything beneath. Watching it in motion is like witnessing a living, breathing relic of industrial might brought to life. Here comes another giant, the legendary bucket wheel excavator. Towering like a mechanical colossus, this machine devours mountains of coal with its spinning teeth. It doesn't dig, it consumes. Each rotation shaves off tons of earth in seconds, feeding an endless hunger for energy. Watching it operate is like witnessing a factory on legs, a relentless beast built to reshape the land with every turn of its massive wheel.